Okay, so in the Prezi, I gave you an example value of AA, which I said was 0.25, which is also p squared. So you want to plug that in under the equation. And because p squared is 0.25, you can figure out the value of p, because 0.25 square rooted is 0.5. So that is the value of p. And because p plus q is equal to 1, you automatically know that q is 0.5, because 0.5 plus 0.5 is equal to 1. And then, because q equals 0.5, you can figure out the value of q squared, which is 0.25. So you want to plug that in under q squared. And then, because you have the values of p and q already, you can figure out what big A, little a is by taking 2 times 0.5, which is the value of p, and the value of q, which is 0.5. So then, if you multiply those together, you get the value of 0.5. So you want to plug that underneath 2pq. And if you did this correctly, you should get the value of 1, which you do because 0.25 plus 0.5 plus 0.25 is equal to 1. So that means you plugged in all the values correctly and you got the correct gene frequencies and the correct allele frequencies.